Hi guys, welcome to Vexy's Live. It's your girl Vanessa. If you want to see how I made this intro, watch till the end. Okay, so first you want to go to Google and look for a cute background. I wanted a cute pink background, so that's what I put in the search bar. I'm gonna scroll down until I found this cute brick wall background. Just saved it, and then you want to go to your iMovie, select the image, and then create movie. And then you want to make it longer. So just tap the little straight line in the middle and keep going to however long you want. I wanted it to be 10 seconds long. Once you're done with that, you want to select disable Kanban so that the picture won't move, just like that. Once that's done, you click the middle icon and save your video to your camera roll. And once you're saving, you want to save it to the highest quality, that's 4K obviously. Then the next step, you want to open your eraser up and select your image. Now I got this amazing piece of art online. I'll credit the artist of course in the description box, but what I'm trying to do now is erase the background. Now I found the easiest way to do this is select target area and it will do it for you. You want to go in obviously after that to make it perfect with the erase option, and once you're done you will just click the little arrow on your top right corner and save it to your camera roll. Then you're gonna want to open your up photo and select plain image. You can choose either white or black, and then select color and choose the light green color. Select apply and then select use, and then select the three little lines at the bottom and select add image. This is when you add your photo that you erased earlier, and then you want to select size and make it bigger, and also move it to the center as well. Once that's done, you want to save it to your camera roll, and then you are going to open the motion portrait. Here we're gonna select the image that you saved from Fonto, and sometimes it selects the lips and eyes automatically, but this time it wasn't quite accurate, so you just want to make it accurate. And that's what I'm doing right now. And then there you have it. It's now animated. What you're going to do is select the little camera at the bottom and record at least 15 seconds of this video. Once you're satisfied with it, you'll select save and save it to your camera roll. Once that's done, you want to open the app Pocket Video. And then select YouTube vlog and then click the little plus sign and add your video from your camera roll. Now first we're gonna add the brick wall video that we made in iMovie. When it's done importing, we are gonna select video sticker and add from camera roll. We're gonna add the video for motion portrait, the little animated video that we made earlier. And then we're gonna resize it to make it a little bit bigger. And then you're gonna select mask green screen, and there you have it. Now obviously you want to select Q so that you know where you want your image to pop up. Now I'm going to leave a little bit of space at the beginning because I want to add a liquid transition at the beginning. So once that's done, that's what it will look like. And then you want to select a video sticker and then add from YouTube. We're gonna type my channel name Vanessa Vexy because I've got a couple of green screens up. We're gonna select the Beauty Guru intro green screen pack and wait for it to load. Once it's done loading, what we're going to do is select the bit of the video that we want to use. I wanted to use the little wipe green screen, that one. You want to select the little pink lines just so they begin and end on the wipe green screen. Once you have it, you will resize it and then select mask green screen, and there you have your little wipe liquid transition, and select Q so that you move it to the very beginning of the video, just like that, and it looks pretty good. So it's a liquid green screen and then animation pops up. That's exactly what I wanted. And then we're gonna add a few more green screens. We're gonna select a video sticker, YouTube, and then Vanessa Vexy, and then we're gonna select the same Beauty Guru intro green screen pack. Wait for it to load. And then we are gonna select the cute little pop-up starburst green screen. Look at it, amazing. Okay, once you have it, you're gonna resize it as well and select mask green screen again, and then select Q, and we're gonna make sure it starts right before the pop-up of the animation begins, just like that. And then we're gonna make it bigger. Lord, these chickens in the background are gonna do my head in. Anyways, let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. Just make it a little bit closer to the pop-up. Okay, this is the final look. Oh, it's amazing. Wipe liquid green screen, starburst, and pop-up. Right on cue. Now we're gonna add yet again another green screen from YouTube. Type in Vanessa Vexy and go to, this time we're gonna go to my aesthetic green screen transition pack. Wait for it to load. Now I want to add this liquid green screen at the end of the video, so I'm going to select Q and then move it to the very end of the video. You may want to add your channel name to the intro, so select text, and I'm just gonna go with the first template, and then I'm gonna type my channel name. And then you can choose lots of templates. You can change the font. Pocket Video has a ton of options. Let's see, liquid green screen, text, starburst, pop-up, and a final liquid transition. So once you're happy with that, we're just gonna select finish and save it to a camera roll. And I honestly felt this video was kind of missing something. Anyway, let's just first save it, and then we're gonna reopen Pocket Video. So like you use your blog again, and then select that last video that we saved. Okay, there it is. There's something very small missing, so I'm gonna select video sticker, go to YouTube, type Vanessa Vexy, and then I'm gonna look for my Beauty Guru green screen pack because I want to add a spiral kind of liquid green screen to my animation. So just wait for it to load. Same process, we will wait for it to load and then select the bit of the green screen that you want. Once you have it, you want to resize it. I think I have to make it smaller this time to kind of fit the animation, and select mask green screen and then select Q because we only want it to appear on the animation right after it pops up. So we'll make sure we've selected that little piece of video. Let's see our final video: liquid green screen, text, starburst, animation, swirl, and a liquid in transition. I think it's perfect now. All you have to do now is click finish and then it will be saved to your phone. Just select save to camera roll. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you want me to make you one of these, just comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.